Hello, hi, welcome back. Today's session, I'm going to discuss about OpenShift CLI tools, which is OC, and OC stands for OpenShift Command Line. And the best place to know about any documentation, obviously, it is Red Hat documentation page. Just go ahead and select your version of OpenShift. I just randomly selected 4.12. The recent one is 4.18. So whenever we use automations, OpenShift CLI, where we can make different OC commands to tailor customized deployments, their CLI experience plays a major role. So how do we install OpenShift CLI? The document says you can just go to the OpenShift Container Platform download page and then select the product variant and the versions, and then you can just download it. So you will get Linux, means you will get a Linux tar file. Just untar it. Once you untar it, yes, of course, you can just start using OC and then command. So before that, you run from the Windows side, you have to set a path and ensure that the path is picking up the OC binaries. And there are a lot of YouTube videos. It talks about how to set up path variables for binaries. You can just go and know about it. So in a Mac OS, of course, it is given how to set up path variables. So installing the OpenShift CLI from the web console is you just go to web console and then click on the help section, the question mark, which is in the web console. From the command line tools, you can select appropriate to your platform and you can download and set the path, and then you can start using OC. Same for Windows. Yes, of course. Again, it is discussing the same thing for the Mac OS also. So from RPM, it's very good one. If you have a Red Hat Enterprises Linux, you can install OC RPM. If you have a subscription, just go to subscription manager, register, refresh, and then start the available subscription just matches with OpenShift. Just list it, and then from the list you will have a pool ID. Just attach that pool ID for OpenShift, which is matched, and then the enable repos, so that the ensure that you have your version of repo and just enable it. Then use yum install to get OpenShift clients, which is OC commands, will come to your Linux OS. So that's where you can directly get it in Linux box. I don't want to cover up homebrew. Let's get started on logging to OpenShift CLI. Right. So basically, how do you log into the cluster? It's a OC login with an -u for user and then username. It goes. It will be prompting you for your server. The API path with the port number 6443. So just pass the certifications. You want to say yes for insecure connections if you are accessing from the local, and with the user ID password you will be logging to the OC. So not log into the OC, I'm sorry, log into your cluster, right? So once you log into the cluster, then all OC commands it plays to you, right? So I will come back again in one more session about what are the various commands where you can utilize OC CLI, and there is a OC CLI cheat sheets are there, and very beautifully arranged for the examination base, different commands. And there is a developer command reference You can go through each and every commands. If you don't know where to go and look it, and you can just go to search in this reference page, you will get everything. And I would like to cover each and everything here in this comments, whatever is given in the next section. Thank you.